how to add an account in video banking online. Now, either if you're going to be using your mobile phone or from the official website by your PC or laptop, process is going to be the same. Now, very important, if you be using your mobile phone, make sure that video application is updated to its latest version. Just simply head to wherever you have downloaded the application and just make sure that the update button is not visible. Now, adding your own account in video banking online is very easy. Log into your video account, then once you have successfully logged in, just locate the three dots at the top right portion or maybe at the lower right portion of your phone, depending on the phone that you're using. Now, once you tap on that, just simply head to enrollment services, and then you will be redirected to all of the enrollment features that has on video. Then simply choose on add own account, and by there just fill out necessary informations like reference number and as well as the account number of the account that you will be adding. Now just hit on confirm and you will also be getting a confirmation via the email address associated with your BDO account. And that's it. It's how you add an account on BDO banking online.